In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can allow or deny location access to any app. Begin by opening Devices Settings. When you're ready, scroll down to tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and hit More Privacy Settings at the bottom. Now it's time to click on Permission Manager over here and select Location section. Tap on it. Click on any app you wish to manage and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so when I click on it, I need to confirm my choice in this pop-up by hitting don't allow anyway. So when I go back, as you can see, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!